Hi everyone, today I'm very excited. It's because I'm going to unpack a package from New York University alumni. So last month I was joined the giveaway from New York University alumni Instagram and also their TikTok, and luckily I won and I got the giveaway. And today the package just arrived in my home in Yogyakarta. So I'm really excited to unpack this package and see what is inside. So first of all, thank you for the NYU alumni for sending this package. So from New York to Yogyakarta, it's a long way, but it's arrived faster than I expected. So I'm really happy. Now let's unboxing it. Let's unpack. So this is quite heavy though. It's about like 4.5 kilograms, and it is said inside would be NYU branded items. So yeah, I'm excited to see what kind of NYU item inside this box. Let's get started. So let's me open this first, and I will pull it off one by one, the items. By the way, I'm not really good at unboxing things. It's a little bit rough, but let's see. Oh, by the way, this giveaway, my first time giveaway from NYU that I got one. And also not only for me, from this giveaway I also get one more package, which is giving to my friends who are also alumni at NYU that I tag them or mention them in the column sections. It's pretty much inside, pretty many items. Oh, let's see what is it inside. Wow. Ooh, let's see. I pull it up one by one. So inside will be like this. See, NYU color, the what you got, purple one. So the first thing, I will pull it up. Oh, this one, NYU alumni. So I can pull it off, put it on my wall. Anyway, I also already got one, but it's not NYU alumni, but it's NYU Steinhardt, and over there Liberty. So NYU Steinhardt. So I bought it when I was there, and now I got the new one, the NYU alumni. That's complete. And what else? Oh, I also got the notebook. Pretty. So it's NYU University Development and Alumni Relation. That is pretty. Got a notebook. Love the color. And then what else? Oh, box. What kind of box inside? This look like nothing, no label, but it's what is inside. Oh, what is this? What? Oops. Oh, the power bank. NYU alumni. That's pretty. Look at that. Very cute power bank. I need it. It's because my last power bank is already broken and I wanted to buy the new one, but fortunately I got it from NYU. Amazing. Love it. Yay. What else inside? Oh, this one, NYU Alumni. The stickers. There's a lot of stickers. Oh my god. There's a lot. So many. I can put in all my books, all my items. That's pretty. See, there's a lot. And the other things is, oh my god, this is so cute. I got this. So pretty. Oh. NYU Almuni. I don't know how to use it. See? Interesting. Well, nope. Anyway, so I got this one. Like the color, of course, the brand, and then oh, another box. I love opening the box. Let's see what is inside the box. Oh, what? This is insane. I got 2 power banks. Oh wow, it's home. Wow, I got 2 power banks. Pretty. Wow, speechless. And then I got this. What is it? It's a clipper. Yeah, I think it's a clipper for oh, the phone stand, like this, so you can put it on your phone stand and stuck on your phone. Cool. What else? Oh, this is so cute. Another stickers and the mascot. Right. So behind, let's call it NYU. You are now one of the over 600,000 NYU alumni from around the world. Stay connected. So this is where you can connect with another alumni of NYU. Oh, it's cute. So I also got bracelet. This, the first one, the purple, it's NYU. They got 2 sides, and then another one, also NYU. The last one, I love NYU. Pretty. Last but not least, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Oh, I got the tumbler. Oh wow, so pretty. We got the Yeti tumbler. Why you? Let's open it. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Oh, and of course this one with the straw. Oh my god, so pretty. Wow. Oops, sorry. That's all. I think it's empty. The box is empty, but my heart is full of happiness from NYU alumni. So to recap, I got the tumbler, and then the hat, pretty hats, and also I got 2 power banks, so cool. And then got 3 bracelet, and a stickers, not 2 stickers, NYU stickers, and the palm handler, and then a bunch of cute stickers, and then a notebook. Last but not least, this one. Amazing. Whoa, I think that's all. I'm so happy to unboxing the NYU package, the alumni package. So thank you so much for the NYU alumni for doing the giveaway and send it to me right from New York to Yogyakarta. So happy. So if you guys the alumni of New York University, make sure that you also follow the NYU Instagram page, which is NYU Alumni, and also their TikTok, NYU underscore alumni. And of course, if you want to connect with me to ask about NYU, how study in NYU University, what major I am in, or just want to connect and to know more about New York University, you definitely can also follow my Instagram is the Dora Journey, and also my TikTok is the same username. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next unboxing video. Bye.